Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools and products to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into one of the most impressive products in the sealant category, the Flex Paste Cartridge, Black, Waterproof Paintable Putty. If you're tired of leaks and cracks around your home or RV, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. This isn't just any regular sealant. Flex Paste is known for its incredibly strong, rubberized barrier that seals out water, air, and moisture. Whether you're dealing with cracks in your walls, windows, or even underwater repairs, Flex Paste is up to the task. It penetrates deep into surfaces, providing a watertight seal that you can count on. No need to wait for surfaces to dry because it even works on wet and underwater surfaces. Flex Paste is a thick, rubber paste that clings to surfaces instantly, making it ideal for filling large gaps and cracks. Once applied, it doesn't shrink, crack, or peel. The paste stays flexible, so it's perfect for all kinds of weather, whether you're tackling roof repairs or fixing a leaky pipe. And if you're into DIY projects, you'll love how easy it is to spread, shape, and form to suit your needs. What's even better? Once it dries, Flex Paste is fully paintable. So, you can blend it seamlessly into your home or outdoor repairs without it standing out. Plus, it's UV resistant, so it won't break down when exposed to the sun, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. The best part about Flex Paste is its versatility. Use it for foundation repairs, around windows and doors, or even for sealing up leaks on your RV. It's also chemical resistant, so no matter what environment you're using it in, it will hold up against the elements. If you're someone who likes to get your hands dirty, Flex Paste is a game changer. It's made in the USA, and with its new Stay Fresh container, you'll never have to worry about wasting product. Flex Paste ensures that you'll get the most out of every application, making it a must-have in your toolkit. That wraps up today's review of the Flex Paste Cartridge, Black. If you're looking for a reliable, waterproof, paintable, and flexible sealant, this is the product for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. See you next time.